Bunkers down. We see it bouncing off your head, my friend. Hit. Marshall, can you have a word with the guy in the trench? He's bouncing off his head and he ain't taking it. Medic! Over the left, mate, in the pillbox over there.
One, two, three, 5.
Thank you, my friend. Push up!
Man, follow me, we're getting in that trench.
Right, cool. Yeah.
Ready? Steady, go.
Where's that firing coming from?
I don't know, over that way.
The pillbox.
Oh, kissing. Right, G-man, stay there, keep your head down.
Good. Good, Will.
Ready?
Oh, no, wait. Oh, you horrible wanker. Will, drop pouch. Drop pouch. It's just literally the final push, my friend. It's pushing up, going down the trenches.